Hi guys, Mehnush here from Ross IELTS Academy. I'm here today with a short but very useful tip for you about two of the most confusing words, which are although and but. As you might know, although and but have the same meaning, and they are both used to show contrast. However, they are used differently in the sentence. First, let's talk about although. As you may know, although is used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. For example, although my job is hard, I enjoy doing it. Or, I can do a lot in my house, although it's small. However, the word but is only used in the middle of a sentence. For example, my job is very hard, but I enjoy doing it. Or, my house is small, but I can do a lot in it. Now the point is that you cannot use but and although in the same sentence. For example, this is wrong to say, although my job is hard, but I enjoy doing it. And this is one of the biggest mistakes that many candidates and many students make. So you should either use but or although in your sentence to show the contrast. For example, although my job is hard, I enjoy doing it. Or, my job is very hard, but I enjoy doing it. Okay guys, now it's your turn to make your own examples with the words although and but and write them in the comments. I'm here to correct them for you. And by the way, visit our website, which is www.rossielts.com if you want to boost your score in IELTS exam in a very short time, visiting our courses, VIP, Silver, and Bronze. Stay tuned and see you soon.